Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2026 Toyota camper van is Toyota's latest response to the growing demand for compact, adventure-ready vehicles that combine comfort, practicality, and performance. Designed with modern nomads and weekend explorers in mind, the 2026 model blends Toyota's signature reliability with the latest in smart technology and camper-focused functionality. It's not just a van, it's a lifestyle statement for those who want to take their home wherever the road leads. Toyota has completely reimagined its camper van offering for 2026. Building on decades of experience and customer feedback. The exterior has a sleek, aerodynamic design, with sharper lines and a more aggressive stance than its predecessors. Available in several two-tone color combinations, the van stands out on the road and at the campsite. A set of durable, all-terrain tires and higher ground clearance mean this van isn't afraid of dirt roads and uneven paths. An integrated solar panel on the roof adds to its off-grid appeal, powering interior electronics and offering a touch of sustainability for eco-conscious travelers. Inside, the camper van is a marvel of efficient design. Toyota has made the most of every inch of space, offering a versatile layout that can comfortably sleep 2 to 4 people, depending on configuration. The rear seating area converts smoothly into a full-size bed, while the pop-up roof provides additional headroom and sleeping quarters. The interior is outfitted with modern, durable materials that balance comfort with ease of cleaning, essential for life on the road. The kitchen area features a 2-burner stove, a compact sink with a water filtration system, and a refrigerator that runs on a dual power switch per either shore power or battery. There's also ample cabinet space for food and gear, and clever slide-out drawers that make everything easily accessible. A fold-out table and swivel front seats create a cozy dining or workspace area, turning the camper into a mobile office or a relaxed dinner spot wherever you park. Technology-wise, the 2026 camper van comes equipped with Toyota's latest infotainment system, a large touchscreen display, and voice control integration compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation, weather updates, and campsite suggestions are just a tap away. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The van includes Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which features adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for easy parking and maneuvering. Under the hood, the 2026 model is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain that provides an excellent balance of power and efficiency. With a projected range of over 500 miles per tank, the van is built for long-haul journeys and remote escapes. An optional all-wheel drive system ensures better traction in slippery or rugged conditions, making it a dependable partner in all seasons and terrains. One of the key attractions of the 2026 Toyota camper van is how seamlessly it combines everyday drivability with weekend adventure readiness. It's compact enough to navigate urban environments and park in standard spaces, yet rugged and resourceful enough for extended trips off the grid. Whether you're a digital nomad, a couple chasing sunsets, or a small family on road trips, this van is tailored to support your journey in both comfort and style. Toyota's 2026 camper van is more than a vehicle, it's your ticket to freedom on 4 wheels.